10 years from now, I believe AI, machine learning will be ubiquitous across all aspects of construction and all aspects of construction technology.
Have you ever thought about how AI and machine learning are used in civil engineering projects? Well, civil engineering projects using AI models can be more precise, less expensive, and less disruptive. Artificial intelligence is being used to monitor real-time interactions between workers, equipment, and materials on the job site, and supervisors for potential safety dangers, building mistakes, and productivity issues. Simulated intelligence rationalizes the development process, making it easier for those involved in it. By making structural design a desirable line of work, it opens up more career opportunities.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tutort Academy's YouTube channel. My name is Alankar and I have got for you a new case study on application of machine learning in civil engineering projects.
Let us see the 4 areas where AI and machine learning is used in construction projects. Number 1, machine learning for structural health monitoring. The complexity of data-driven civil infrastructure monitoring frameworks has not fully developed in the era of smart city, Internet of Things, and big data analytics. Thus, machine learning algorithms are supplying the required tools to boost structured health monitoring systems' capabilities and offer clever answers to problems from the past. The future of structural health monitoring systems lies on the integration of continuous sensing and large data processing of crucial information in infrastructures. Number 2, to prevent cost overruns. Despite having the best project teams, the majority of large projects run over their budget. On projects, artificial neural networks are used to forecast cost overruns depending on variables including project size, contract type, and project manager's level of expertise. Predictive models use historical informations such as anticipated start and finish dates to create realistic project timetables in the future. AI enables personnel to remotely access practical training materials that quickly improve their abilities and knowledge. As a result, it takes less time to integrate new resources into project, and due to this, the delivery of the project is accelerated. Number 3, automated risk estimation. There are dangers involved in any civil engineering project. When managing projects, AI can reliably forecast the quantity of flaws or quality in general. Using AI models at various project stages can assist in identifying and warning teams as to whether a procedure is dangerous. AI, for instance, can monitor real progress and contrast it with the schedule that was originally set. Using those data, AI can alert potential delays, point out the underperformance based on KPIs, recommend ways to bring the project back on track. For that, you can factor in the budgeting and scheduling constraints to make informed decisions on risk management. You can retrieve parametric data as and when needed using machine learning. For instance, you may forecast future projects' realistic timelines using historical data such as anticipated start and end dates. To account for reasonable delays, the algorithm can add an upper and lower bound to these dates. Successful delivery is assured if the system displays strong confidence in a particular project. Number 4, increase productivity on job sites. Drones and other unmanned aerial or ground vehicles are beginning to pay off for the construction industry. These gadgets perform surveying and monitoring tasks and are especially helpful in dangerous or inaccessible places because they are equipped with sensing technology like optical cameras or 3D imaging lasers. Future autonomous construction equipment has gradually begun to appear on job sites, ranging from bricklaying robots to hosting and lifting devices. Popularity of 3D wall printing has also increased, especially for off-site fabricated modules.
So these were the application of machine learning in the civil engineering projects. We hope that you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.